Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from NOKIA X10 to an Android device. Firstly, just open Play Store on both and tap on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on a Nokia smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Over here, click on Not Now or tap on OK right away. And finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Nokia X10. Then choose Receive over here at the bottom of your Android. And finally, tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. When you're ready, select Send here. This way you select all of those files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo. Click on Send and then tap on Got It. Now on an Android, tap on the best option for you and select Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on this Android, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our device's camera at the code, or we can just input this key over here instead and tap on the Receive button. Either way, as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent, so all I need to do is tap on it in order to access it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!